Daddy is going to reach 1,000 subscribers very soon. So please hit the subscribe button to make his dream come true.
So, yun. Tama yung sinabi ni Andy. But anyway, may iba naman tayo guys. Mag-unbox ako ngayon ng RCDRIFTCAR. So, ito yung pinaka-famous ngayon. Hot na RCDRIFTCAR. Ito yung SG1604. Asa ba yung pangalan na SG1604? Hey, hey. Hey, keep quiet. So, teka, lapit ko lang. 4-wheel drive, RTR or ready to run. So, may mga attractive siyang headlight, LiPo battery. So, eto, gyro stabilize guys. Ayan. Gyro stabilize, ESC. All terrain yung wheel. So ito yung model nya, Baron. So scale nya is 1/16, 4-wheel drive. Right, sa likod, high speed racing. Ayun, so ito yung may check. So ito yung bali dalawang model. Ito yung 1603. Ayan, 1603 and 1604, SG1604. So, bali, ito yung kinuha ko na model. Yung 1604, yung open yung ano niya, yung canopy. Kasi, bala kong gawan siya ng ano, ng lagyan ng FPV camera. So, yun. So, bali, ito yung, ayan nga. So, bali, hindi ito yung, yung mabubuksan natin. So, etong may open canopy siya. So okay, nagmamadali na yung aking dalawang prinsesa. So buksan ko na tong ano. Pakita ko na sa inyo tong ano, yung SG1604. Okay, so ito na. Alright, so yan na guys.
It's so cool.
Ooh.
I want to see. I can see it. Oh.
So ito guys, oh,
Golden yellow.
oh, golden yellow.
I like gold.
Wow, wow. So yun.
Golden yellow.
So yun, wala na naman to. So ito yung manual. Instructions manual. So ito yung SG1604. So maganda yung manual guys. Mukhang pinagkagastusan. Hey, the sticker. Oh, pinagkagastusan. Glossy yung ano. So diyan ka. Oh my goodness.
It's dusty.
Looks like we need a cutter. Or get a scissors, Sandy.
Scissors, okay.
Okay, the box. Sa likod.
See, it's open.
What did you see?
Open.
Whoa.
What? It's a remote controller.
Teka, buksan lang natin to.
Can we have the extra cardboard?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So, yun guys, naka...
Later.
Guys, yung lock niya.
Okay, so.
So, ganda. Alright, so eto. Ito yung SG1604.
Some small person can ride in
Napakaganda.
there.
Yeah, so eto, ito yung kinuha ko. Ito yung pinili ko kasi gagawin ko siya na ano. Lalagyan ko siya ng FPV camera dito. So, yun. Kaya yung ano open canopy yung kinuha ko, yung 1604. So, ganda. Super cute. So, hindi ako expert sa RCDRIFTCAR pero nagandahan ako dito. Sobrang ganda, oh. So, anyway, let's go back sa unboxing.
Here, a person.
Hey, wait! Don't disturb my unboxing. So,
Like a car.
eto pa yung laman na box. Yung pistol type na tawag yan.
It doesn't have the battery yet.
Yeah, it doesn't have accessories.
Accessories.
Okay, so ayan yung goodies. Okay.
Wheels?
So yung wheels.
New
Extra wheels. Super smooth.
wheels.
Hard. So yung wrench. And mga ano niya, yung parang pin, pang lock. Then yung charger. So yun. Hey. So this is the RC car. Wow, very nice. Very nice. It's really a tire. Ganda. Ganda. Look at this. It's heavy.
Yes, heavy. Can we try? Let's see if it's...
Try it.
It's not that heavy.
It's heavy.
It's a little heavy. Yeah.
Heavy?
It's a little heavy. For me, it's not heavy.
Not heavy?
Not heavy.
But I think it's heavy. Look. It's heavy.
It looks heavy, but it's not
heavy.
actually heavy. I found two.
So, yun. Binubuksan ko yung... Yeah. Hey. You take care of that.
Take care
And
of
let's see what's inside of the RC car.
I got it.
Yung electronics niya. And the battery. Tingnan natin. Kung ano yung laman.
What's inside?
Whoa! May wires.
That's what...
Wow. Yung ilaw niya. Yung kumukonekta sa ilaw.
We have seen the through.
Yun. So, yung wire niya, guys.
What's it
Kabit to.
open? What's it open?
And then, yung motor niya. Hey.
That's
And
yours?
the motor, brush motor. So, yun pala guys, brush motor siya. And then the battery, 1200 milliamperes, 7.4 volts. Okay. And then, yung connector niya is JST. JST, sorry. Tawag dito. JST, standard. So, yun.
Come on, let's share.
So, nice.
Wow.
Very nice. Yung suspension niya. So, this is the RC car. 16 Gorilla.
Yeah.
1604. SG 1604. So, okay.
Let's change the wheels. Oh, Daddy, remember when we tried like...
So, try natin guys. Tingnan natin yung ano. Lagyan ko ng 4AA yung controller. And then, factory charge pa naman yata yung RC car. So, let's see yung ilaw. Yung mga ilaw-ilaw muna.
It works.
Let's see. Hindi ko pa nababasa yung instructions. Pero, tingnan na lang natin. Wala bang on and off switch? On and off switch? Wala. Power, I think here. Yun!
What? It looks glow.
Yeah.
There's eyes. Daddy, are you still
Kumukurap-kurap na.
this box?
Wait.
Let's
Look at the light. I think it's looking for something. Para naghahanap ng connection.
It's feeling hot. It's looking something.
It's like looking to...
We need to change your wheels.
Later.
I sneeze.
Yeah. So, you guys, kumukurap-kurap yung headlight niya. So, parang naghahanap siya ng connection. So, asan yung on and off? Ito yung on and off switch. Alright, so, connected. Yun, pagka-connected siya, red yung kulay ng headlight niya. So, napaka-cool. Ganda. Look at this.
It looks orange on the camera.
Ooh.
Wow.
Nice.
Easy, boy.
Hey. Alicia. So, this one.
It works?
What's this?
Look it. Hiya.
Oh. Whoa. On and off switch for the headlight. Wow. How cool is that?
Daddy,
Look.
should we do a shot?
Wow.
Daddy.
Wow. Look at the lights.
Daddy, should we do the RC Shark versus this video?
Yeah. Look at that. It is switch, oh.
Who wins?
Wow. Pagka... So, nag-iiba-iba yung ilaw pagka... Sinitch mo to, sa gitna, iba yung ilaw. Iba yung kulay ng headlight niya. Ayan, pula. Ito, white. Or bright. Ito yun naman. Wow, nice. Very nice. So cool. Okay. Ito yung on and off switch ng ilaw, ng headlight niya. Wow, nice. Nice.
Can I try?
So, ito yung para maiba-iba yung kulay ng ilaw. Ito. Ito yung switch. Wow.
Can I press?
Yeah.
Can I try?
No, push. Push. Slide. Uh-huh. Nice. 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 Right.
What?
Yeah.
Light. Go, go, go. Go.
Wow.
Okay.
Huh?
My
Huh?
turn.
No, no, no.
But I want to try.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow, look at that.
So, God.
Oh,
It
wow.
glows.
Wow. Wow. Nice.
No, dot. Wait, I know. Let's see if this can balance something. Like, come on. Come on. Daddy. Daddy. Come on. Wait. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Mm. Look at the...
Go, go, go. Eat it. Eat it. It's on my feet. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
You're so noisy.
Eat it. Eat it.
Yeah.